Good evening, all of you. So, guys, we are doing the short and long sound of A. So, here is my student. What is your name?
My name is Shore.
Okay, Shareem, can you tell me the spellings of your name?
Shurian.
Shareem. Okay, what is the meaning of your name?
Brave.
Brave. Nice. Okay. So, what you are going to teach us? Long and
Sure. Sound of A.
okay, how many sounds are there in English language?
There are 44 sounds.
Nice. Okay, how many alphabets are there in English language?
26.
Right. Okay. Very nice. Okay, how many vowels are there in English language?
There are 5 chords.
Name them.
A, E, I, O, and U.
Okay, very nice. So, guys, we have five vowels in English language, and each vowel has two sounds. One of is short and one is
Long.
long. Very good. So, Shurem, can you tell me when we need to use short sound and when we need to use the long sound? When we have the CVC pattern, say.
Cat.
Okay, let me tell you. Shorem, when we have the CVC pattern, as you can see in cat,
Cat. And K.
no, see, here is the CVC pattern. One is consonant, then other one is vowel, and then consonant. So then we have CVC pattern, we use the short sound of A. And when we have CVCV pattern, one is consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. So in case we use the long sound of A, this is the secret behind it. We call it magical E as well to teach the children. So read out these words, all words.
Cat. K. Bat. B. Cat. G. Hat. A. Can. Cave. Bat. Fade. Tap. Tape. Rat. Raid.
Shabash, very good. Okay, Shireen, you did a great job. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Say bye bye to everyone.